Hi everyone, this is the mechanism for nucleophilic addition reaction. This is the second one for our carbonyl compounds, which are nucleophilic addition. So, nucleophile, we're going to add a nucleophile onto this. A nucleophile is a lone pair donor. It will contain a lone pair and a negative charge, sometimes one, just sometimes both. This time we're going to do it with a cyanide, which contains a lone pair and a negative charge. It's an addition reaction, so we're going to add it across a double bond. We've done addition reactions on alkenes where we add it across the carbon-carbon double bond. This time we're going to add it across the carbonyl double bond. So here is our nucleophile, our cyanide. We don't add hydrogen cyanide, we add some kind of like sodium cyanide under acidic conditions, because hydrogen cyanide being poisonous. So what happens is we need to stick some dipoles on here, delta plus, delta minus, and what happens, you can see there that attraction between opposites from your negative thing towards your delta positive. So that goes into there. Now if you look at that, we're going to end up with 5 bonds when that's added onto that, and we can't have 5 bonds, so 1 in, 1 out. So we're going to break this bond here, make sure you hit that bond and take it onto the O. So what we're left with then is C with a single bond now because we've broken it. The hydrogen and the methyl group are still there, and we've added on the cyanide, which is a really useful reaction because it's a way we can make the chain length longer by adding cyanide. So the oxygen we can't leave as it is, because you can see there that there was a pair of electrons there, one belonged to the carbon, one to the oxygen. They've now both moved onto that oxygen, and so now the oxygen's got its own electron back. It's also got one from the carbon, so it's got a proper negative charge rather than the delta negative. It's got an actual negative. So we can't leave this as it is because the oxygen is not happy with that negative charge there. You know what's going to happen, just like in the other mechanism, it's going to pick up some kind of hydrogen. Now because this is all under acidic conditions, there will be one of these around, and you can just complete it like that, which is going to make our alcohol with those two that we're already on, and of course our cyanide that we've added on in the first step. Now if you can't remember the two mechanisms, so there's this one with cyanide and the other one with the NaBH4, if you can't remember which one uses water and which one uses the H+, you can do this reaction with water as well. The examiners will accept it because of course there's going to be lots of water present in the system. So if you do it with water, that would be fine. That would still go onto there. You just change it slightly. So you can either do it with the H+, which is what all the textbooks will show you because there is H+ in the system. Alternatively, you can do it with water if you can't remember which one you can do water and which one you can do H+ with. This is nucleophilic addition of carbonyls. Hope this helps. Thanks guys.